Welcome to Part 88 of Daily English. Today's situation. Social life, talking about movies. Have you seen this movie? Example. Have you seen this movie? It's really good. I really enjoyed it. Example. I really enjoyed it. The story was amazing. It was funny. Example. It was funny. We laughed a lot. It was exciting. Example. It was exciting from beginning to end. My favorite character is. Example. My favorite character is the main hero. The ending was surprising. Example. The ending was surprising. I didn't expect it. I recommend this movie. Example. I recommend this movie to everyone. Let's watch it together. Example. Let's watch it together this weekend. What kind of movies do you like? Example. What kind of movies do you like most? Mini conversation. Anna, have you seen this movie? Ben, yes. I really enjoyed it. It was exciting. Anna, the ending was surprising, wasn't it? Ben, absolutely. I recommend this movie. Anna, great. Let's watch another movie together next week. Daily tip. Talking about movies is a great way to start conversations and make friends. Learn simple words like funny, exciting, and surprising so you can easily share your opinions. Speaking challenge. Talk about a movie you've watched recently. Say whether you liked it, describe the story, talk about your favorite character, explain why you recommend it, and ask your friend what kind of movies they like using at least 5 sentences. Subscribe for Part 89. Continue learning English with Avetra edu.